Hello everybody, today we're going to be learning how to sign into Myon. First you need to make sure that you're signed into Clever. After that you're going to find this purple icon called Myon. It has white and red letters. You're going to keep scrolling through to see if you can find it if it's not at the top. After that you'll click on it. The first thing we're going to do is make sure that we type in the correct school name. You're going to type in the numbers 1361. You're going to get two options. Make sure you click on the Edison Elementary 1361 Hillsborough County Public School. Then you're going to type in the username and password. The username and password is the same for every program. It's the same for Clever, Myon, iReady, and everything else. So for the username, it is going to be your student's lunch number. Then for the password, it is going to be the first letter in your student's first name, then their lunch number. After that, you're going to click on sign in, and then you should get to a screen that looks like this. It might ask you to fill out a survey, so you can fill out that survey really quickly. It's just going to ask you a few questions about what kind of books or topics your student would be interested in. And this is just the browse feature, so let's just say your student loves animals, but they love dinosaurs. So here goes a list of all the different types of dinosaur books that your student can listen or read to. So let's just say I wanted to read a book about this dinosaur. You'd click on the green button that says read, then the blue button that says start the book, and it can read the words to your student. All they have to do is click on this play button. Then they will click on this next button and they will just keep clicking the next button until they're all done with all their pages. When they are all done, they will press exit. And that is it. That is how we look up on Myon. If you wanted to search for a book, maybe I wanted a book called Max, or that's the only words I remember from a story, then it will bring up all of these different kinds of books that have to do with Max. Or maybe I wanted something about bunnies. Here goes all the books about bunnies. And if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to email or message me about Myon. Thank you.